Feels kinda timeless, but I don't really know. I'm living in a movie. It isn't fast or slow. It feels kinda timeless, but I don't really know. Someone good, and I think I might try. When I stand up, I feel mine running dry. I'm really quite, but I crave for something a bit stronger than wine. And then I dance, and my soul is free. My body moves, but it's not really I just learned to fly.